In today's episode, you have no idea what you're about to witness. Incredible machines, operating on a whole other level, so get ready, because we're here to show you some of the most jaw-dropping things you've ever seen. And don't forget to drop a number 1 in the comments for your favorite machines. Now you know how the chopsticks we use every day are made. A super satisfying Japanese carving process. This beast of a machine transforms massive metal blocks into precise hydraulic spirals. Seriously impressive. A rare sight, 2 metal parts coming together so perfectly it's like they were made for each other. This golf ball factory deserves a standing ovation. The attention to detail is next level. Each ball is a tiny masterpiece. A drill attachment on an excavator cuts through thick ice like butter, creating the perfect round hole. This machine with 20 mini buckets is scooping sand from a barge faster and cleaner than you'd believe. This monster shreds corn stalks and vegetables and turns them into livestock feed in just a few seconds. This process is long and mysterious. Can you guess what these balls are for? Drop a comment with number 1. Ice cream production has never been smoother, fully automated and perfectly streamlined. This smart fish sorting line can separate them by weight and quality in the blink of an eye. Cutting and sealing a bag in one single motion, and boom! The water inside is instantly ready to go. This slicer cuts through aluminum even smoother than a hot knife through butter. That's pure engineering brilliance. A simple but powerful tool. It splits a cow's head like it's nothing. Brutal but efficient. This machine handles a pineapple so neatly. Clean, quick, and oddly satisfying to watch. This high-speed threading lathe can process up to 1/800 rods per hour. Not kidding. Get this firewood splitter and say goodbye to back pain and calloused hands forever. This robot smooths wet cement to perfection, all by itself, no supervision needed. Here's how carbon fiber is woven to create the frames for airplanes and spacecraft. Mesmerizing stuff. Once you're synced up with this machine, you can create some jaw-dropping custom designs. One of the most mesmerizing harvesting scenes. This is how natural salmon roe is collected. This grinder processes the whole chicken, bones, meat, everything, and turns it into fish feed in a flash. This bit carving machine isn't just precise, it's super fun to watch in action. This powerful spinning system sucks the dust out of even the dirtiest carpets, clean and effortless. After a dip in this paint bath, this device will never rust again, guaranteed to stay like new. This automatic egg peeler is brilliant. It not only removes the shell, but also separates the yolk and white perfectly. Molten metal is reshaped with ease and precision in this industrial press. This turf cutter does it all. Cuts, rolls, and packs the grass, ready for shipment. When old pipes deteriorate, this machine lets you reline them from the inside. No need to replace them. This is how glass bottles are made. Fast, accurate, and incredibly satisfying to watch. This food processing plant can peel and core a bunch of apples in seconds. Perfect for the food industry. Precision grass cutting rolled up neatly and stacked on a pallet. Ready for transport. Smooth as it gets. At 2,000 slices per minute, this machine absolutely flies through pepperoni and bacon. Blink and it's done! And here's how they make lenses for ski goggles. A fascinating and detailed process. An excavator attachment designed for stripping truck parts for recycling. Powerful and highly efficient. This high-pressure water jet cutter carves intricate designs into glass, and even metal doesn't stand a chance. This machine compresses cotton right in the field just moments after it's picked. Fast, clean, and super effective. Watch fresh spaghetti take shape as it's pushed through these custom nozzles. Oddly satisfying to witness. This industrial powerhouse makes instant noodles like the ones in your kitchen. Now you know where they come from. A cement shredder breaks down tough blocks into smaller chunks, and it's strangely satisfying to watch. Americans linked up multiple saws to clear trees tangled in power lines, then airlifted the whole setup with a giant chopper. Chain link fencing is woven like fabric on this frame, precision and craftsmanship in perfect harmony. A factory that labels cans and products of all shapes and sizes, all handled on one seamless production line. Just 1 second, and boom, a perfectly packed box ready to ship. This multi-level milling process is practically an art form, sharp, clean, and beautifully executed. A pressure cutter slices concrete blocks into precise pieces, power and accuracy in one stroke. This printer uses chalk-infused fibers to create smooth, polished surfaces, a true technological masterpiece. The most precise product sorter ever built. Not a single item goes unclassified. This blazing hot mold forges massive metal bolts, pure industrial strength. A bizarre but brilliant mechanism that braids cheese like it's weaving hair. Both tasty and fun to watch. All it takes is a tiny blade on a spool, and miles of polypropylene are sliced effortlessly. This cement mold pours multiple bricks at once, fast, clean, and highly optimized. Thermal wrap film is used to protect luggage, shock resistant, scratch proof, and it even looks pro. This machine peels coconuts in a flash, so fast you'll miss it if you blink. Old lead sheets get melted down and poured into sand molds. Simple but surprisingly efficient recycling. The precision of this metal engraver is jaw-dropping. True top-tier craftsmanship. Giant bamboo slices are halved vertically with one clean press. Super satisfying. This mechanism transforms molten metal into thick industrial cables. It looks like magic. Rolling and packing blankets has never been this easy. Ready to bag with zero effort. No human could handle fine powder better than this ultra-precise conveyor system. These heavy-duty magnets transport shredded metal pieces straight to the barge, strong and tidy. This machine reshapes large metal tubes, turning cylinders into blocky shapes with sharp ridges. A stone cutting machine with attachments that deliver perfect slices, as clean as a razor. This press crushes and compacts empty cans into neat cubes, ready for recycling in seconds. Finally, this warm rubber press crafts perfect flower pots. Flexible, durable, and easy on the eyes. This automatic paint filler tops off the bucket right to the rim and without a single drop spilled. Wild, right? These machines aren't just efficient, they're proof that we're already living in the future. From precision cutters to mind-blowing recyclers, every tool you've seen today is changing the game. If this made you say wow even once, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment below. Which machine impressed you the most? Until next time.